Welcome to Instant Cooking. If you are vegetarian and you are pregnant, then I am making a dish for you today. That is called Suva Paneer for pregnant women. So for this we need spinach, suva or dill leaf, grated beetroot, cottage cheese, turmeric, salt, coriander seed powder, chopped garlic, chopped onion, chopped tomato, red chili powder. So in a pan, take 2 teaspoons of refined oil, add 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic, saute for a couple of seconds, add 1 medium sized sliced onion, cook till onion is transparent. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons of grated beetroot. It has folic acid which is must during pregnancy. Cook it for 2 minutes. Now add chopped dill leaf or suva around 50 grams. Mix it and cook it for half a minute. Now add chopped spinach 50 grams. Mix it well. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Add 2 to 3 chopped tomato because tomato has vitamin C. Now cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, uncover it, mix it well. Add water, around 100 ml of water. Now add cottage cheese, around 200 grams. It has calcium, which is also must during pregnancy. It has milk protein. Now cover it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, your dish for pregnancy, Suva Paneer for pregnant is ready. Thank you.